Today, I'll show you how to add a screen break effect in CapCut PC. This is a super cool effect that makes it look like the screen shatters on impact, perfect for fight scenes or intense moments. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into the timeline. Now find the exact moment when the punch lands. This is where we'll add the effect for maximum impact. Next, head over to the effects panel and search for split apart. This effect creates a shattering screen effect that looks really dramatic. Now, drag and drop the effect onto the timeline right above the video, aligning it perfectly with the punch impact. Fine tune the position so the effect appears at the right moment. And that's it. You've successfully added the screen break effect in CapCut PC. Use this for fight scenes, action edits, or any intense moment to add extra impact. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tricks.